So, today we're going to through the health and safety hygiene, and we're going to talk about the color-coded chopping board. Right. The first one is the brown color, which is for vegetables. Right. The white is for dairy product, which obviously is going to be like bread or cheese. Right. Next is the green, which is for fruit and salad. Red is for raw meat. Blue is for raw fish. And then last but not the least, we have the yellow, which is for cooked meat. Right. A little tip, I know it's a lot of information to take and remember, to take on board and remember, but a few little tips that I always use to remember myself. The yellow, obviously, there is nothing to compare to, but you need to just remember cooked meat. The blue, because it's blue, it's like the sea, and where is the fish swimming, so it's raw fish. So you will remember raw fish or fish, sea, blue. Red, obviously color of the blood, the meat, raw meat, and is for raw meat. Green, obviously everything that grows above the ground. So fruit and vegetables are above ground, like lettuce, apple. Here we go, green. White, as I said earlier, is for dairy. Not much really to put it together, but I guess white bread, cheese is white. Most of the cheese are white, so dairy products again. And the last but not the least, as we started earlier with the brown, which I said it was vegetables. So everything that grows underground, like carrots, potatoes, onions, and so on. Right. Okay, guys. Why we have? You're gonna ask yourself, oh, why we need to use all these different type of chopping boards? Well, there is only one reason, and it's called cross-contamination, which means if you're using a red chopping board, which is raw meat, and you're chopping a chicken, obviously you need a red one, and then you can't use it for, I don't know, ready-to-eat food, which is grey, it's green. Yes, so you can't use it for mix and match. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the red for the raw chicken, and then when you're done it, you've cleaned everything, you put away, and then when you sanitize your table, you get the green chopping board, which, as I said, the fruit and vegetables, and as well the fruit and vegetables are called ready-to-eat food, which you wash under the water and you can eat. Welcome back. Today we're going through the health and safety today, and it's going to be how to be safe with a chopping board, which I'm going to explain in a minute what I mean by be safe with a chopping board. Right, we get a chopping board, yes, and then obviously on the table is moving around. So when you have something to chop, so imagine that I'm chopping a carrots or something, and then it's moving. If it moves and your fingers go underneath the blade, then you are more likely to cut your fingers. So what you need to do before you start to cut any vegetables or fruit or salad and so on, what we're going to do, you're going to collect the right color code of chopping board. Let's pretend we're going to do a potatoes, which is a vegetable underground, and we're going to use a brown chopping board. Second, you got two choices, which one is going to be a cloth, J cloth, which you can wet a little bit down under the water. So you pass under the water, you squeeze it, Make sure there is not going to be water drawing on the floor. Health and safety. So you're going to put it on the table, nice and flat. For some people do it like this. Put it, and then it's even worse, it wobbles. So make sure your cloth, wet cloth, underneath, it's flat. Then you're going to put your chopping board, and it's already steady. And then safely you can cut and chop anything you like. One more way, if you don't have a jet cloth to use, a normal tea towel, kitchen towel, same. You don't have to wet that because it's nice and big and steady. It doesn't move. And again, it can be safely to cut any vegetables.